Hey everybody, I'm doing a quick impromptu video. I have been getting over an illness, so I look crazy, but I wanted to make a quick video about my now sold Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis East-West in the bi-color full leather. It has a back zip pocket as well as a top handle that is retractable and a snap button closure with two straps, and it has the chain strap as well as the crossbody adjustable, both detachable straps. On the interior, this is leather and then microfiber. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments, so there's a slip pocket in the back. And this one has the made in stamp right here, but as you know, if it's made in the US, it doesn't say made in. So this one just says Louis Vuitton. It has the middle compartment, which is the biggest right here, the zip pocket right here, and this is where I put all the tags and such. And then in the front right here, you can put your, if you guys have been a subscriber for a while, you would have seen me do a bunch of mod shots with this bag, so I'll just have you revert back to those videos for mod shots. But this is just a quick overview before I pack it up and ship it to its new owner. So pretty. And yeah, the stickers are still on. I bought it, I thought I would love it because it's this bi-color, and I love usually the bi-colors. I just never really reached for it as much as I thought I would have. The style, as much as I love the East-West versions of items, it just, the color I think didn't suit me as much as I thought I would have liked it. It's just more of a beigey gray, and I guess I would have preferred more of a true gray, but not even that, because I don't even wear a lot of cool tones either. So I don't know, it didn't work out for me. It's unfortunate. As beautiful as this bag is, it just didn't work out, and that's okay. Styles change. What you think you will like and what will work out change, and that's okay. It's beautiful. I've also done a what fits in this bag in my mini bag comparisons. I'll link that somewhere in this video. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the bag. It's gorgeous and it's beautiful. It just unfortunately didn't work out the way that I had hoped it would, and that's fine. But here she is. Just wanted to tell you guys why I'm selling it and why I decided to part ways with it. It's not anything wrong with the bag itself. It's really just, I grew out of it. I wore it and it didn't suit me the way I thought that it would, and that's fine. If you guys are interested in this bag, I hope you guys find it in perfect condition. I don't think I've seen plenty in the bi-color, but I know there's plenty in the monogram canvas on the resale market. If you guys are interested in those, I tried this bag on with the monogram, in the monogram canvas, and the strap, even though it's leather, it didn't feel as comfortable as this leather. I believe this is a Tyrolean, not sure, but this leather is much more comfortable than the Vivienne or Vachetta leather in this style bag. And I know they're coming out with this style a lot in all the new collections, and that's great, which means it's popular, which I'm sure it is. Maybe one day I'll add it back to my collection when they come out with a color that would suit me and my lifestyle and my wardrobe better. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll link all my socials down below. Please follow me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!